Today we present this welding machine Tube 3 that allows you to weld tubes containing liquids, medicines, etc. We go to weld them by inserting them in the stemma. And pulling up the bottom, we have several parameters settable through this computer at the top, where we can go to change, for example, the welding time, the cooling time, and other various parameters. Now we are going to make a welding by simulating with water the liquid inside the tubes. And as we can see, has done impeccably welding. Now we are going to make a solder on these tubes, shorter than the others. To do so, we are going to adjust the height of the head through this knob.